It can be really hard and frustrating when you create a campaign, generate tons of clicks and impressions, but do not generate any sales and purchases. Well, if this is happening to you, stay till the end of this video and I will show you 5 quick tips that can generate and boost up your sales and purchases. So let the intro roll in. Hey guys, this is Abhilash Chaudhary, the founder and CEO of 3 profitable companies. If you really want to boost up your sales and level up your marketing skills, then subscribe to our channel and never miss any of our videos. So the first quick tip is do not and never assume. Believe on the facts and figures and the actual data. So what marketers do is they make a perception in their mind that this particular product will work and generate a lot of and tons of sales. But that's not correct. That's totally wrong. What we have to do is you have to experiment with all of your products and eliminate all those products which are not even generating any sales or profits or even the add to carts, and make a new campaign with all those products which have generated even a single result or multiple sales. Remarketing is the key. You cannot expect people to buy your products when they don't even know you and trust you. But when you make a remarketing campaign, your audience sees your ad again and again. That makes a perception in their mind that, hey, I've already seen this product and already seen this ad before, so why not just give it a try? Even the research have proven that remarketing ads tends to generate more sales and higher profits. The third quick tip is highlighting your product image in your ad campaign. Try to showcase and highlight your main product in the image of your ad copy. The fourth quick tip is try adding emojis in your ad content copies. Adding emojis always grab the attention of the potential audience, and with the right content copy and the right emoji, your ad can do wonders and increase the sales and the revenue. The fifth and the last quick tip is the replication game. Try replicating your ad with your landing page or the product page. Your audience should get exactly what they see in your ad on your landing page. Let me give you an example. You saw a billboard on a highway that says Italian cuisine in just $2. But when you reach at the restaurant, they tell you that you have to order at least for the 5 people to get it for $2. That's their offer. Frustrating, right? No one wants to get a bad experience. Well, so your ad and your landing page should be like a proper replication of each other. Your audience should see what they see in your ad and they should get on your landing page. Well, I hope adapting these 5 quick tips will help you increase your sales and your profits and your revenues. And give us a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel and never miss any videos from our channel. See you guys in the next video.